Hello guys, welcome to Scene One Techie. My name is Worldfied Papi. Now, for very sure and very certain, I know you guys are smartphone users, be it an Android or iOS, whichever one it is, you're actually a smartphone user. Now, here's the thing, I'm ready to show you guys or explain to you guys through some very interesting things that you'll find very interesting, especially for Android users. I'm sorry guys, but those of you that use iOS, I'll probably have to do something for you later. But today, I want to show you some very interesting thing about smartphones, especially the Android one. Stay connected, don't go nowhere. When I'll be right back, I'm going to show you much more. So I'm going to go over 5 different things that are not so well known on the Android devices. Some of you might know it, but these are tricks and of course tips that are, you know, somehow, some way you guys did not see it, or you guys have it on your phone, but you actually did not realize it. But not to waste much of our time, let's dive right into it. The first up is actually going to be the hidden developer menu option. A lot of you do not actually know about this, to be honest. When I first stumbled on it, I actually did not know. Now, the interesting thing about this is to access this menu, go to Settings, then go to About Phone, then scroll down to where it says Build Number, then keep tapping on the build number until it starts counting down. When it says you're now a developer, you can stop. After this, you'll go to Settings app where you see Developer Options. In here, you'll see some new settings, some of which are absolutely useless to an average user. I'm sure you find that very, very interesting, right? Like, some of you, be honest, you didn't know that at all. I won't lie to you, I actually didn't know that in the first place, but I had to do my research just for you guys. Now, the number 2 one is going to be the offline Google Map. This is very interesting for not just only Uber riders, but Taxify and what have you. For some of us that get lost easily on the road. Now, here's how it works. Offline Google Maps. What lets you do is to select a large area of Google Map, download it and store it in your phone. Most obvious use of this is to download few miles around your house, sometimes where you visit frequently. This lets you access your Google Map easily, instead of you using up your data each and every time you search for Google Map. 2 benefits of this is to save data and to make Google Map faster. It also helps update Google Map automatically on Wi-Fi. Google Map, where you have to just save it, you don't have to reload it, you don't have to waste your data. Tell me, just give me an upload. All right, so the next one is actually going to be one I find very, very helpful. To be honest, very, very helpful. Sometimes I get to look for files and I wonder how to go about it, but this is another interesting one. It's called the Hidden Built-in File Explorer. Here's how it works. To get into this, go to Storage and click to the bottom Explore button. There you are. You can now search for files, create folders, and move and copy, delete files as well.
Scene One TV app has newly been upgraded.
I'm sorry, but you're not my mother.
Sit down and tell your parents how much of a whore you have been.
Know that I destroy you much more than I've done.
Oh! Yeah, sorry!
Get out! Get out! No, get out!
Unbelievable. Just a few weeks ago, you were all over me telling me...
You are sick! A very sick girl! And you're extremely pathetic!
Please, leave! I don't...
Okay, I'm ready to open the gates. Pay my money where you owe me. Pay my money now.
I killed a man last night, and I will kill more.
Now today your own leg. Go to Talatolo.
Don't do me alone. You can treat me like that and dump me! You fool!
Scene One TV, Nollywood at your fingertips.
So at number 4, this is actually an interesting one. It's actually very helpful for some of us that we tend to forget to charge our phones. It's actually a way you can access your battery. So it's called the Quick Access Battery, right? So here's how it works. To get access to your quick battery, you can go to Settings. But there are faster ways to see all of that. Simply swipe down to your notification bar. You can click on your battery icon, and it will show most of the same thing you can see from your battery settings. You can see percentage, you can toggle the battery saver mode, and you can see how much time left, which is perfectly convenient. All right, now, didn't you find that exciting? Now you know how to save your battery, how to know the battery health. You don't have to always go to Computer Village. Some of you that know these places can relate. You don't have to think that your battery is bad and all of those things. So now, I'm happy because I know how to reserve my battery. I know how to save my battery. I know my battery life. No one can come and scam me just easily. All right, now to number 5. This is an interesting one because I actually have to ask you guys this question. It has to do with the notification log menu. some of you do not know about this. So let me ask you this. Have you ever wondered sometimes you're so engrossed with your phone, like you're playing game, video game, or you're reading something and you're so engrossed and a notification just pops up and just swipe it out without even knowing what it is, and when you probably get back to the home screen, you don't see the notification? This is actually an interesting one. It's called the notification menu log. Let me put you through it. Create a new widget by long pressing your home screen. Go to widget, and then you will find a shortcut setting. Drag it to your home screen. Once you do that, it will show you a selection of different settings where you can choose from. You can make a shortcut and you can make it look better. But right now, what we just need is the notification log. In there, you can scroll through your notification log and it will show you a bunch of technical data. For each one, it is including what the notification says. I find this really useful. So if you feel there's something we actually omitted or we didn't actually talk about, please just feel free to leave a comment. Tell us what it is we should do research on, or tell us what you feel that, oh, you guys skipped this and that, and we would actually get to it, all right? So this is what I want you to do for me. Give us a thumbs up if you like this video, and if you feel there's more we need to talk about or research, or please just share with us. But what you have to do for us is follow us on all our social media pages, and of course subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is at Scene One TV. This has been very interesting and useful to me because each and everything I've explained to you guys, I have actually used it, I've actually researched on it, and I've actually done it, which has been very interesting. Thank you so much. This has been Scene One Techie. I remain Worldfied Pappy. Till next time, stay techie.